In front of me is HMD Pulse Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can select and add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then to add an audio file, use this plus at the bottom left corner. Hit Files and look for your audio one by tapping on audio at the top, selecting one of those apps or clicking on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. If you want to, you can always hold one of your files right away and hit select at the top right corner to add it, or just click on it twice. As you can see, my file is too big, but yours will be successfully added. If you want to add video one, hit Gallery section instead of Files. Look for your video and tap on it here. You can also select Folders and click on it over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!